So we've had a look at monitor, we've had a look at measurements, we've had a look at download, configure. Now let's take a look at the really important one, which is download. So press download. We do like to keep it straightforward here at Cirrus. I'm not sure how many measurements I have on this instrument. My record is 400 odd, which is ridiculous. Oh, look, there we go, 52. That's pretty good for me. So to download a measurement, all you need you to do is pick the measurement that you wish to download. Now you'll maybe notice here that there are group download measurements. Please leave that box unticked. We will cover that on the Noise at Work webinar. That will allow you to download several measurements at once and basically build a person's working day. You monitor the drill that they use, the saw that they use, I'm not the most manly of DIY sort of people. I'm running out things you might use. A planer, is that a thing? That's probably a thing. Some sort of grinding tool. So you can monitor all these different tools that you know a person's using during their day, and you can build their working day. We'll look at that in Noise at Work at the next webinar. One tip I'll give you, one pro tip I'll give you, please, I suggest that you tick the box that says open after download. And this just puts the measurement immediately on the screen for you and saves you looking for the measurement in the filing cabinet. So I always leave that ticked. You don't have to, but I always do. So when you are ready to download a measurement, click on the one you wish to download, and then it's a good idea to add a bit of information to your measurement. So the following are just my suggestions. This is your data, so however you wish to mark up your measurement is correct. It's whatever works for you, but these are just my suggestions. So if I click on the little box here that says place, I would suggest that you type your company name. Add a little picture here if you like, and it'll appear as a thumbnail on your reports. Click OK. Click person, and I always suggest typing your name, as in the person that took the measurement. And again, an opportunity. I can't see any of you all, but I'm sure you're all very good looking. If you wish to include a picture of yourself, a little thumbnail of you will appear on your reports. If you do that, let me know. I won't judge you, but I will mention it to other people. And then here on project, you can type task, area, member of staff that you've monitored. We also have a sub-project. So if you typed maybe warehouse up here, you could write warehouse 1, East warehouse, anything you like. Click OK. And you will have noticed, hopefully, that there are these little, this little black drop-down arrow. So once you've typed the company name or your own name, we don't expect you to keep typing the same thing over and over again. So you just click on that box, and you can see how often I tell people to type company names or council names. So it appears every time I save it. So you don't have to keep typing things, just select from the drop-down box. Ensure that you still have this measurement that you wish to download highlighted in blue. However, before we do that, you can actually change the name of the measurement here as well. So it will have a number allocated to it. So this is measurement number 52. I shall call this demo example. This is all still highlighted in blue. I have that box tick that says open after download. I'm now just going to press the button that says download. And depending on how good your computer is, you'll get your measurement on the screen pretty quickly. This is taking a couple of seconds longer than I would normally expect it to take, but there you go. Gosh, that really is taking a couple of seconds. How was your morning? Well, that was great. I watched a green bar go across the screen. So now that I've downloaded, now that the measurement is open, because I ticked the open after download, say you're looking for it in the filing cabinet, this is NoiseTools. And it looks a little bit more interesting now we've downloaded a measurement. Now, because I have an Optimus Green attached, and the software stands as it's an Optimus Green, it immediately puts my summary, which is here at the top of the screen, onto an environmental option, because it's an Optimus Green. However, because it's an Optimus Green, it's an environmental meter, but it also has the capabilities to carry out noise at work monitoring. If you connected an Optimus Red, then the option for environmental wouldn't appear because it doesn't monitor environmental parameters. Were you to connect a dose badge to it, dose badge kit to it, it'll give you the option for a noise at work or noise at work for both.